I don't really like standard form. It doesn't give us a whole lot of information, but we need to know a few things about it. Okay, first of all, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, what it's saying is now we've multiplied it out. The way it was before, like on these problems, if I actually squared this, then I would multiply it all out and I would like simplify it to get something that looks like this, right? So this is my standard form. A number times x squared, a number times x, and then a number that's a constant. Okay? Things that I can figure out from this. Again, if a is positive, it goes up. If a is negative, it goes down. Okay? The y-intercept. The y-intercept is c. Because if I put 0 in for x, right, on the y-axis, x equals 0. If I put 0 in for x, this goes away and this goes away. So I'll just get, right, it's y equals, I'll just get y equals c. So the y-intercept is always at c. Okay. And then this one has a weird little, the line of symmetry, right? It has a little equation, x equals negative b over 2a. And you'll get b and a from up here. But really, we're getting most of our information just straight from the calculator. That's why I don't really like standard form. You get almost all the information from the calculator. So it's not very useful, right? So like this one, go to the first one, tab, just delete all this. I'm gonna put that in there just to start. 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. See what that looks like. Okay, again, using our information up here, it's easy. A is positive, it opens up, right? A was positive for us, so A was 2, B is negative 2, C is negative 4. Okay, if it's opening up, then the vertex right there is a minimum point. I can look at this and see the zeros right now, but I don't want to write them down yet, or if I see them, I guess I could write it down. Negative 1, 0, and 2, 0. Sometimes they'll be in between and you'll need to use the calculator to find them, but right now you can see it go through the axis right at those points. The domain is always all real. The range, I need the vertex before I can get the range. Okay, now here's the deal with this. I would just go menu, analyze the graph. Now I need to know if it's a max or a min ahead of time. That's why we're labeling it, so we can use our calculator. Since this is a minimum point, I put 2. Click and highlight, click. So 0.5 and negative 4.5. If I wanted to use this calculation, I could use this too. We said the line of symmetry, so my LOS is negative b over 2a. So negative, what was b up here? B was negative 2. And then 2 times a was 2. So minus the negative is just positive, so that's 2 over 2 times 2 is 4. And that's 0.5, or 1/2, right? Either way, I already found it on here, because there my vertex goes through 0.5, so that is x equals 0.5. That also gives us the range. So we can go ahead and write this out. 0.5, negative 4.5 is my vertex. 1, 2, 4.5, so it'll be right there. And then the range has got to go, since it's going up, you got -1, 0, and 2, 0. It's going up through those points. My range is from -4.5 all the way up to infinity. Not too bad, right?